Okay, let's do this. Safe. Do I need my, I don't even need it. Huh, that was weird. That was weak. Oh, here we go. That's why. People are moving into that big ass building. So I just changed my tires out and seems to be okay. So what happened was the 2.5 inch, the last tire was 2.5 inch and they used a 2-inch tube instead of a 2.5 inch tube. So when I put a 3-inch tire on it, it really had to stretch, and that did not like it, and it caused a stretch in the fabric, and it caused a tear, and it leaked out. So that kind of sucked. Huh, I want to go to that garage, but I'm gonna ride that garage one day. Yeah. Okay, I pumped the tires back up to 20, it was 21 when I checked it, so it was weird for that tear that happened. It was just stretched, I guess. So maybe the front will eventually tear as well. Let's hope not. Let's go. Watch out for cars today. Feels good, feels good. It doesn't feel as soft when you initially air it up. I just gotta be careful with the front and make sure it doesn't get flat. Woo! So I've probably ridden it for almost 100 miles. And I would say the rubber in the front seems to be doing well, especially the way I've been riding this thing. Like I'm like accelerating out of corners and it's peeling out. Let's hit the streets. I was too far out there. I stopped in time, but it scared them. Understandable. Oh, I thought that person was turning. Oh shit. Let's go. I am gonna hug the side today. Woo. Let's go. Very nice acceleration here. Gonna ride very defensively tonight. Little bunny hops are nice. Let's go. This section is so fucking shit. Look at that. Cute doggy. Hi doggy.